Hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty post-market analysis. We'll be looking at let's see what happened with the market today, and we'll see for tomorrow's market also the different levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, before that, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Let's continue right now. Okay, so what I will do, I'll open Nifty chart first. Okay. So see what is happening with the Nifty right now. Okay, so if you look at it, I told you that last video also, there is a possibility it can start going further down. That's what exactly it is happening with the Nifty right now. Today, if you see that, if I go into 1 hourly chart, okay, if I go into 1 hourly chart right now, okay, this is the 1 hourly chart. Then see, look at this. Today, it is actually stayed side a little bit, down and sideways, and try to close below the support. Tomorrow it may break down and go downside probably, or else. And tomorrow is also the month end day. Probably, let's see where it closes. It can bounce back and go sideways again. Tomorrow, that possible also there. Okay, so but remember, no need to panic. This gap will be filled in the coming days. So this is expected fall. It is going, and portfolios are bleeding. Everybody's okay. So that yeah, these times are a little bit. You have to be patient. Already, market itself is overstretching itself. If you ask me, it's overstretching the correction. So these are all called. If I want to tell, this is called exhaustion gap. We can say that gap down, exhaustion gap. This is for downside probably. So in my opinion, I can go wrong also. So from here, we can expect some upside momentum from here on. Okay. So let's see what will happen in coming days with the Nifty. Today it was completely choppy, and many stocks has fallen today. Okay, probably small cap index. Let's see, uh, small cap index. If you look at it, okay, Nifty small cap. Oh, yeah, today the fall because of small cap index was fallen today. So that's why you see a lot of small caps. Look, it's already this is also overstretched in my opinion. If you ask me, just need to, it's a matter of a time, it may bounce. It's already bent the trend. So it this much huge correction in small cap and it is not looking good. 23%. Okay, Nifty Bank, if I go, let's go and see the Nifty Bank. And if you look at the Nifty Bank, actually, so let's say, for example, from here, okay, let's take this is the gap which we I was waiting for. Today, you can see that this upside gap is filled, but this gap was pending. I was talking about this gap for many days right now. If you listen to me in my earlier videos, and there is a possibility that this gap can be get filled in a coming days. So let's see what happens. If I go to 1 hourly chart, let's say, if I go to 1 hourly chart, for example, let's say here, there is a huge support is there. So, and that support can be broken in coming days, probably, to facilitate this gap filling. So probably Nifty Bank can come down and fill this gap, and then after that it can start moving upward. Tomorrow, if you ask me, it can go down and take a little bit of support and stay sideways. That's what we are expecting. Let's see whether it happens or not. There is a gap. You can see that it has filled that gap. That's why it came. And further next support is here. Next support we'll find. So another 1 or 2 months in it may take to just finish all the business for the downside. Then after April or something, we can expect some upside momentum in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Overall, if you ask me for today's conclusion, today, after actually in the midday, we see some correction in Bank Nifty. You can see that this was a fall, and small cap index was down, and choppy day for overall market with a little bit downside to it. So tomorrow we can expect the same thing probably. Okay, so not anything great, but let's see what happens tomorrow. Okay. This is my analysis for tomorrow's market, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll be coming with another video. Until then, please take care. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.